guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Fashom review. They are a new styling service. They're kind of like Stitch Fix, but they are new and they have some improvements that they can save from their competitors as well. They reached out to me for a collaboration today and I want to give you a few different ways they are different from their competitors. So first of all, you pick what ships to you. So they'll give you, your stylist will give you a few different things for different outfits, and then you get to pick on their website what ships to you, so you can try it on and then send back what you don't like, or, you know, buy what you want to keep. And the average price of their inventory is $35, and you get 25% off if you keep 3 or more pieces. And then there is no subscription fee. And your first 2 styling sessions are on them. After that, the styling fee is only $15, which is applied as a credit if you keep something from your order. Another great thing is on your first purchase for Fashom, if you buy something from them, and you use my referral, I'll link it in the description box below, you will get $10 off your first box. So I think that's pretty freaking awesome as well. It'll be a code or referral link, so I will have that for you guys to get $10 off your first box. So without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new, and let's get started. I totally forgot to grab a knife or something to open this box with, but this is just what the box looks like. Ugh. So when you first open your box, they just have tissue paper around your clothes that you wanted to try on. Hello, beautiful. This is just a what's next page, so it just gives you a few tips and stuff of what's happening. So try everything on in the comfort of your own home, buy what you like and send back the rest, using our prepaid mailer. Return items that you do not want, so they give you a package that you can just ship back, and it's free both ways. You can also exchange things as well. It says, help save an animal. For each Fashom box we contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. That's awesome. So then they just have a little note from my stylist, and then they just have the receipt. So that is all for that. First we have this cute white tank top. It has cutoffs on the shoulders and then cute little sleeves like that. Then in the back it has this really adorable little lace up, and then you can tie it in a bow or knot or something. She's kind of open in the back too. I think that's really cute actually. This is the first piece. Okay, so I guess I actually didn't pick this one out. It says replace with a similar item. So maybe they like ran out, I don't know. But this retails for $43. So this is the white shirt. It's obviously a little see-through, but it's really cute. I think the back is really cute. I just tied it in a little bow, and it has the stitching there, and then it comes open right here. I think it's really cute. I'm just not sure if I will be getting this one or not. Next we have, ooh, this is so soft. This Abound size small yellow shirt. It's like a, you know, mustardy yellow, and it has this really adorable, cute little bow. You can tie it in the front, a knot, a bow, just ties in the front, has normal little cuffed sleeves, and it's super soft. It looks really cute, so I'm loving that. And this retails for $42. This is the yellow one, and I think it looks cute in theory, like on the hanger, but I try to tie it as much as I could, being like try to get it to be tight, but it like just it comes in because it's like a little stretchy material, and it looks kind of weird from the side, so it makes me look bigger than I am. And I like the color, I like the actual shirt, I'm just not sure about this whole area, so probably not. Next we have this Bobo or Bobu something size small shirt. This is a long sleeve shirt, okay. This is gray shirt, so it kind of looks weird, but you tie it on the inside and then you tie it in the front, so it just like kind of wraps around you, and it's just long sleeves. It looks really cute. It's pretty soft too. This retails for $51. Here's the gray long sleeve shirt. I just tied it right here, and it's connected already on the other side. I don't know, it's a little too big, I think, on me, and I don't like how it looks from the side because of the bow, and just it's a little long too to go on my hips, so not sure about this one, and not sure if it's worth that amount of money because it's literally not the greatest fabric ever. Like, it's not worth whatever $50 something that it is, so Probably not. Okay, so this is another one that was replaced with a similar item because I had ordered a plain black dress, but this has flowers on it, obviously. So it's different. It's long sleeve. It's from the brand, oh, the same like Beau whatever brand. It's a size small. And it just has cutouts in the front and the back and then a little collar. So it's just this cute little flower dress. I mean, I don't know if I'd pick this out, but it's okay. It's okay, we'll see. This retails for $48. Okay, so this is a floral dress. It's just like loose. It has an underlining. It's actually really staticky to me right now. The sleeves are tight at the end, so then it just kind of like falls over. And then it has this cutout right here. I probably won't keep this one just because it's a little big, I feel like, on me. And I mean, it's cute, but it's not what I wanted. So I'm probably not going to keep it because it's a little big. It's a little big. The last thing in the box is from Paper Doll, size small, and it is this cute little red dress. It has ruffles on the sleeves, and it ties, it's kind of like the wraparound thing, but it's already like, you know, sewed on there, and it ties with a little bow, and then has ruffles down and then on the bottom. And so this is just a really cute little red dress. Honestly, I think this is my favorite piece other than, what is it, that yellow or gray shirt? I don't know, the yellow and gray shirt's really cute, but I think this is definitely my favorite piece out of all of them. I usually don't wear red, but I'm getting like into wearing red recently, and I think this is a good red color for me because it's deeper and not too bright. So we'll see how this looks on, and this retails for $48. So this is the next dress. It's the red one. I think this is freaking adorable. It actually fits pretty well. I like how it is like supposed to look like it's the crossover full over thing, but it's sewn there so you don't have to worry about it coming open. And I love the ruffles. This is definitely a very big possibility of buying this one. So if I got all of the items in this box, the subtotal is $232. With 25% off, that takes away $58. So then you're left with $174 for the whole box. So overall, I think that Fashom is really great service. They were really sweet and nice. I do remember the first time they gave me options. I asked for more options because I wasn't quite sure if I liked some of the ones they gave me. So they do give you more options if you ask for them. It's no big deal. So they were really sweet. And my stylist was really sweet, and Jasmine was really nice, the one who reached out to me for this video, for this collab. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can get it a like and thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put videos out every Friday. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.